Just as gamers seek out mechanical keyboards for responsiveness and durability, individuals with high support mobility needs, like quadriplegics, require wheelchairs that balance comfort, stability, and customization. This guide highlights the top models that excel in support features. List number: Drive Medical SSP118FASF Silver Sport 1 Folding Transport Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Silver Sport 1 is a solid choice for quadriplegics needing a reliable, supportive transport chair. Featuring full-length padded armrests and removable footrests, it's designed with caregiver support in mind. Its foldable frame and durable steel construction provide both portability and strength. List number: Medline Comfortable Folding Wheelchair with swing-back desk-length arms and swing-away footrests. Medline's comfortable folding wheelchair stands out with its swing-back desk-length arms and swing-away footrests, both of which enhance accessibility for quadriplegic users and caregivers. The chair's comfortable nylon upholstery, combined with durable steel frame, delivers excellent long-term use. It features loop-style handbrakes for caregiver control, especially during slope navigation. List 3. Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair with handbrakes and 12-inch rear wheels. This Medline Lightweight Transport Wheelchair is ideal for those needing a quick, caregiver-friendly chair with advanced safety features. The 12-inch rear wheels and built-in handbrakes allow for smooth rides and controlled braking on inclines, perfect for active caregivers and hospital transport. List number 4. Medline Lightweight Wheelchair for adults with swing-back, desk-length arms, designed with both independence and caregiver interaction in mind. The Medline Lightweight Adult Wheelchair features swing-back, desk-length arms and elevating leg rests. These allow for easy lateral transfers, vital for quadriplegic users requiring hoists or caregiver assistance. Its dual axle provides 2-seat height options, and the padded nylon upholstery promotes all-day comfort. List number 5. Medline Excel Extra Wide Bariatric Wheelchair for adults and seniors, 24-inch seat. The Medline Excel Bariatric Wheelchair is designed for larger users or those needing extra room for comfort or accessories. With a 24-inch wide seat and a weight capacity of 500 pounds, this chair emphasizes stability, safety, and comfort. Ideal for quadriplegics who use body positioning supports, cushions, or transfer slings. It features full-length armrests and swing-away footrests,